case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the Iowa Supreme Court heard the case of Committee on Professional Ethics and Conduct of the Iowa State Bar, Assen v. Mershon, which centered around the ethical obligations of attorneys when doing business with their clients. A Cedar Falls lawyer had entered into a business transaction with his client and an engineer to develop the client's land for residential purposes, forming a corporation in which the client provided land, the engineer provided services, and the attorney provided legal assistance. However, the corporation was unable to obtain financing and the project stalled. Following the client's death, a dispute arose regarding the ownership of shares in the corporation. The attorney believed that he and the engineer had agreed to relinquish their interests if development did not occur, but the engineer refused to do so. The court reprimanded the attorney for violating DR 5104A, which prohibits lawyers from entering into business transactions with clients if they have differing interests or if the client depends on the lawyer to protect them, unless the lawyer fully discloses all relevant information and the client consents to the transaction. The Iowa Supreme Court determined that the attorney failed to provide appropriate advice to his client and did not investigate the accuracy of the estimate of his legal services. There was also no discussion of the reasonableness of tying the attorney's future services to a present interest in the corporation, which is prohibited under Section 496A18 of the Code. By neglecting to inform the client of the possible difficulties and risks involved in the transaction and not recommending that the client obtain independent advice, the attorney violated DR 5104A and was reprimanded following the Commission's recommendation. The case highlights the importance of full disclosure and ethical behavior among legal professionals.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.